All right, the drink we're about to make is called Snuggler. Oh, isn't that special? All right, let's go ahead and add some peppermint schnapps to our coffee mug here. I'm going to do 1.5 ounces. Now, it's up to you on how much peppermint schnapps you want to add. You can do a little bit more, a little bit less. It doesn't matter at all. Just depends on how much peppermint flavor you want. Now we're just going to top it off with some good old hot cocoa. All right, and we'll stir it up with our spoon. Just get everything mixed together. Okay. And now we will top it with whipped cream. There we go. And we'll add a cherry on top. Let's go ahead and grab a sword here. And put that on there. And that is a Snuggler. Only one thing left to do. Find a partner to enjoy the Snuggler with you. Bottoms up.